Hello, right, today we're going to do something a bit different. I purchased this little fella the other day. It's a Spear & Jackson lawnmower with a Briggs & Stratton 450E engine. It's a little 125 engine lawnmower and it doesn't run. So for the purposes of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and make it run. I've tried putting fresh petrol in it and pulling the cord and it just won't run. I've tried a few things. So now the only thing to do is to take the carburetor off and see if that works. Take the carburetor off, clean it out, put it back on, and then see where we go from there, see if it will start. Okay, just going to get some tools out of the bag and we'll see where we go from there. Well, that don't look too good, does it? Pretty piece of crap, that. Have to renew that. Okay, so the top bits are sockets. Some gunk in there. Let's have some light on the subject, shall we? There we go. So, and looks like they're all going to be 10mm little nuts and bolts. My hands are getting a little bit slippy. There's lots of oil around in here, so one. Oh, this is impressive, isn't it? Is that another one down there? Yep. Okay, here we go. Now I haven't blocked the fuel, so what I'm going to have to do is put it into some type of container. That will do. Well, I can't smell any fuel getting through there. Well, I'm getting ready for fuel to come out all over the place. This is puzzling me. Okay, that's not connected to anything. Now this may be the wrong way of getting things off. I'm no mechanic, I'm just a DIY sort of bloke. And there that goes. Fuel smells lovely. I don't know if this container is going to be big enough to hold this. It was a fucking great shout, mate, wasn't it? There you go. We have a fuel can. Right. Let's stick my thumb over there a minute. I'll make this so difficult for myself. What a pillock. Should have taken the tank off. Anybody telling me? Should have taken the tank off first, Mike. Should have taken it off. Yeah, well, I'm a fucking idiot, so don't do what I'm doing. Do it the right way. I think we're coming to the end of the fuel now. I hope so anyway. I'm going to sit here for the next fucking 24 hours waiting for it to empty. Ah, here we go. We are empty. That's good. That'll go in there. That's it. Good job I ain't going to smoke down here, innit? Because otherwise I'll go up in fucking flames. But there you go. Yeah, it's a black can. It's supposed to be for diesel. But it's not being used for diesel now. It's being used for petrol. So that'll come off. So now what we'll do is we'll take these little bolts out of the bottom there. What size are they? Well, they're not 10s, are they? No, that's an 8. So they're not 8s, they're even smaller than that. Okay. There it is. Yeah, all right, you lot shouting at me. It's there. Well, there seems to be plenty of fuel coming out of it. But I just think it needs the jets cleaned out, which is half a course on a lawnmower that's been standing, or any engine really, any two-stroke engine that's been standing for a while. It's got a carburetor. It's all right. Let's see if we can prise this apart. There we go. Oh yeah. Full of shit. And apparently your main jets are in here, so you've got to, this is what I've been looking at online, you've got to you've got to bring these out like that, and there are your jets in there. So basically give them a blow through. Cool, yeah. Yep, well and truly blocked. How am I going to unblock them? Well, that's a bit of controversy, isn't it? How am I going to unblock those now? Stay on there, you. Right. Well, that's not good. I don't think that is a jet, is it? No. Maybe not. I think we're clear. I think we're clear. I've blown these out and I think we're all clear now. So I go back in there. Am I the right way around? No. Like that. I go back in there. So that's all done. That'll go back on there. I haven't done it up tight yet, so I'm not gonna do it up tight. Well, you don't really do these up tight anyway, because it's a plastic housing, so it's a plastic carburetor. So you just nip them up. You don't do them up too tight. That's it, carbs are working properly. So let's see if we can get this back on now. Right, so there's that on there. I'm not going to put fuel in yet. Let's put the top back on. Okay, right, I think that is going to do it. So let's put some fuel in there. Giving it about half a tank. I'm going to try it without the air filter on for now, because as you saw previously, that one's pretty mank. So I'll take you outside and we'll go outside. So here we go. Let's try and prime it. And let's see if we get any firing. Well, that was a waste of fucking time, wasn't it? Okay, so this is a couple of days later. I did actually get it going the other day, but my mistake. There's a small gasket that I left out between the carburetor and the main body, and it's hunting a bit as it's running. So today I'm gonna dismantle it again. I need to get a new one of those. It's pretty crap actually, that. So yeah, I've got to dismantle it again and put that in. I'll make sure that everything's in it when I put it back together again, and hopefully it should run okay, and I will actually be able to cut the grass with it. Unfortunately, this one was a self-drive lawnmower, but it seems that the pulley that drives the belt that drives the rear wheels has broken, so I've had to disconnect the self-drive part of it. And it's now just basically a push-along mower, which is not a problem. And when I can get around to it at a later date, I will actually excuse dogs, they are being a bit of a nightmare. They do sort of shout the odds now and then. Right, so it's taking off the stuff that I put on the other day, as you will see me do. I'll probably do a speedy uppy bit for this one, so I'll speak to you shortly. But that's it. So we'll put some more fuel in. That should do us. Enough to get it running anyway. Might need a little spray of quick start or easy start to actually get it going, because we've had the carb off and emptied that out. But let's go out and see what we can. There we go, we have success. So that's all good.